Welcome to the astonishing journey of how raw clay becomes ultra-strong construction bricks.
A little more to the right. Hold it there. Okay, I'm coming. The pressure is fluctuating at pipeline 3. I see it. Adjusting the flow rate now.
The giant filter press machines squeeze the excess water out of the clay slurry, forming dense, ultra-strong.
Inside the tunnel dryer, heated air flows through the endless rows, transforming the raw clay into ultra-strong construction bricks.
The sensor shows 15% right here.
Okay, that's within tolerance for the next stage.
Scene 21. How raw clay becomes ultra-strong construction bricks.
Inside the kiln, the raw clay is transformed. The intense heat causes the bricks to slowly change color from dull brown to a vibrant red.
The intense heat inside the kiln transforms the fragile clay, hardening the surface and creating the ultra-strong. The palletized bricks move along conveyor belts toward the packaging station to be wrapped and shipped.
After firing, the raw clay is transformed. This warehouse holds thousands of the finished, ultra-strong construction bricks ready for use.
All right, bring it back slowly. Watch the clearance. Got it. Secure that. I'm grabbing the next one.
The final stage of the process sees the ultra-strong bricks transported across the highway to awaiting construction sites.
Bring it back slow. Watch the rebar. Pull up right alongside the crane.
All right, bring it down easy now.
Clear. Moving back for the next one.
The raw clay is transformed into these ultra-strong bricks, capable of withstanding immense pressure, ensuring the stability of the structure.
This is how raw clay becomes ultra-strong construction bricks. The precise application of mortar ensures the structural integrity of the wall.
How raw clay becomes ultra-strong construction bricks.
From raw clay, these ultra-strong bricks are formed, ready to support the rising walls of this massive complex.
The transformation is complete. Raw earth becomes resilient structures, built to last for the new neighborhood.
The raw clay is fired at extreme temperatures, resulting in these ultra-strong, durable construction bricks.
How raw clay is molded, fired in intense heat, and transformed into the ultra-strong bricks that form our city skylines.
It begins deep in the quarry. The raw clay is extracted and shaped, fired.
How raw clay becomes ultra-strong construction bricks.
How raw clay becomes ultra-strong construction bricks. The sunset reflects on the newly built brick houses. Here we see the raw clay being extruded and precisely cut. Fired in massive kilns, brick manufacturing remains the cornerstone of global construction, providing the infrastructure for our rapidly expanding cities.
From humble earth to towering titans, these bricks are the bedrock of our future. Strong.
The rapid growth of residential construction worldwide is heavily reliant on efficient brick manufacturing, as seen in these endless developments. The journey of these bricks from the kiln to the construction site involves a complex global network. Efficient logistics.
Here you can see how millions of bricks form the backbone of this massive urban housing expansion project.
Carefully laid, row by row, the durability of the fired clay ensures a lifetime of structural reliability.
Standardized brick production has revolutionized housing by utilizing uniform materials and efficient construction methods.
The precision craftsmanship required in these large brick structures is evident in the alignment of every corner, ensuring stability for decades to come. The integration of classic brickwork into modern architecture is redefining our urban landscape, blending timeless aesthetics with contemporary scale.
To meet the demands of vertical expansion, modern construction employs advanced crane pallet systems, ensuring a steady flow of materials to the skyline.
For centuries, brick has endured as a fundamental building material, shaping our cities from the ground up.
The precise stretcher bond pattern ensures both superior thermal efficiency and unmatched structural stability for the lifetime of the building.
The interior brick partitions play a vital structural role, acting as shear walls to resist lateral forces and support the gravity loads from the floors.
The speed of material distribution is critical for large-scale urban projects. This chute allows us to maintain that pace across all levels.
As the sun rises on this massive undertaking, the global demand for housing drives us forward.
This thick cement mixture doesn't just fill the gaps, it chemically bonds with the porous bricks, creating a strong, lasting structure.
This geometric suburban pattern represents the latest phase of urban expansion, driven by unprecedented construction demand.
These decorative facade bricks, with their unique shapes and patterns, are defining the stylish exteriors of modern buildings today.
This new school complex represents a major investment in the region's infrastructure. It's entirely supported by locally sourced brick.
To achieve the perfect finish, we use specialized equipment to slice custom brick shapes. This allows for intricate corners and unique decorative edges.
The hourglass. This massive distribution hub is the nerve center for all our construction projects.
Utilizing traditional brick engineering techniques, these artisans meticulously align each brick.
For large public infrastructure, reliability is key. Brick provides the strength and durability needed for a complex this massive.
This facade exemplifies the innovation in modern bricklaying, where complex geometric patterns create
Brick manufacturing is the engine of our urban expansion, transforming clay into the very fabric of this growing metropolis.
Structural alignment is paramount. It is this dedication to craftsmanship that defines the integrity of the build.
From London to Chicago, the enduring appeal of brick architecture has profoundly shaped the identity of cities across the globe.
This controlled saturation is essential for the curing process, preventing cracking and ensuring the long-term durability of the brickwork.
From the weathered charm of Victorian red brick to the sleek geometry of modern towers, the story of brick is one of constant evolution.
The logistics of vertical construction are immense. We rely on pinpoint accuracy and synchronized deliveries.
This massive urban redevelopment project is replacing aging infrastructure with modern brick housing complexes.
This macro shot highlights the strength of hybrid construction by embedding robust steel beams directly.
The durability of these bricks is unmatched in industrial settings. Despite the constant steam and heavy use.
As the concrete is poured, the structural layering begins. The rising brick walls rely entirely on this foundational stability. The construction of modern educational infrastructure, as seen here, relies entirely on the steady supply of large.
These new glazed bricks utilize a revolutionary bonding agent, allowing for faster installation and superior durability, even at these heights.
By tightly sealing the brick wall system with this rigid insulation, we dramatically reduce thermal bridging and improve overall building performance.
Global brick distribution relies on these massive networks. From the factories, materials are moved efficiently.
These tightly interlocked bricks, combined with the reinforced mortar patterns, are essential for creating a wall structure.
With population growth soaring, housing density is paramount. These urban blocks are transforming to accommodate thousands.
With the placement of this final brick, we mark a major milestone, the culmination of months of.
As the sun rises over this endless expanse of brick, we are reminded of the material's endurance.
These aged walls demonstrate the remarkable weather resistance of fired clay. Decades of exposure prove their long-term durability.
From the historic brickwork of the old city to the towering glass and steel hybrids, we see a dramatic architectural evolution.
By utilizing these modern prefabricated brick systems, we can install the facade in record time.
The expansion of these historic brick neighborhoods towards the waterfront highlights the rapid urban growth near the port.
The raw materials determine the color variations you see here, and it is the precise control of...
Welcome to the Central Hub. With this much material flowing through daily, precise logistics are absolutely critical.
These installations demonstrate how traditional materials can achieve ultra-modern aesthetics, creating flow and movement in the urban landscape.
This rapid urbanization presents both a challenge and an opportunity. To meet the soaring housing demand, we must...
The versatility of brick allows for incredible design freedom. By integrating these layered textures with modern glass,
as we ascend, you can see how the brick cladding is meticulously applied to the underlying steel structure, a crucial...
Craftsmanship is the soul of this facade. Each glazed terracotta brick is placed with absolute precision.
the connection is undeniable. Where we build the roads, development follows, transforming the landscape at an incredible pace.
Ensuring structural integrity requires meticulous attention to the mortar joints. This section is clearly failing.
Agreed. Document the efflorescence.
Interconnected city growth defines this landscape. From the tallest spire to the deepest industrial zone, it is one massive ecosystem.
By washing away the dust, the intricate geometric patterns of the urban design are finally revealed, connecting the structure to the cityscape.
This is more this breathe and soul, just more steel and concrete. It's the artery and future.
The aesthetic qualities of this brickwork are truly revealed under the city lights. Note how the neon glow highlights here and the...
For centuries, brick has been the bedrock of our civilization.
From the smallest dwelling to the largest metropolis,
billions of bricks quietly shape the foundations of modern civilization.